Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ.
Hi, Jennifer. Hi, everyone.
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Jack. It's so good to be here with you today.
I'm happy too, Jack. How are you feeling?
I feel full of energy.
You really do look energetic.
Yes, I have my big water, the sun is shining, I'm ready.
But yesterday wasn't a high-energy day, right?
No, yesterday was hard. Very hard.
Oh? What happened?
I was studying something new, not English, something different.
Ah, I see.
And it was very difficult. I looked at the pages and thought, Jack, you cannot do this.
Oh, Jack, I know that feeling.
I felt very small. I wanted to give up.
That happens to everyone. We all have days like that.
Yes, I wanted to say no more. This is too hard.
I'm glad you shared that, because that is our topic today.
Yes, today we talk about not giving up.
We talk about how hard days make us stronger.
The tired days, the frustrated days, they make us better.
That's important for everyone learning English.
Yes, English is beautiful, but some days it feels like a huge mountain.
A very big, very tall mountain.
Before we climb that mountain, we have a request for our listeners.
Oh yes, everyone, if you like our chats, click the like button.
A small click for you, but a big help for us.
And subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ.
We want to help you learn every week.
When you subscribe, you won't miss new stories or tips.
And share this episode with friends.
Especially if they feel tired or sad about learning English.
Let's stay strong together.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, Jennifer, yesterday I felt like giving up. What should I do?
Tell us, Jack.
First, I made a cup of tea. Tea always helps me think.
I like that.
Then I remembered something my teacher once told me.
Oh, yes?
She said, Jack, if it is easy, you are not growing. If it is hard, your brain is getting stronger.
Wow, I love that.
If it is hard, your brain is getting stronger. That's so true.
Think about exercise, Jack.
Yes.
If you lift something light, it's easy, but your muscles don't grow.
Right.
You need heavy weights. You need that uncomfortable feeling.
That's how muscles grow.
And English is the same.
When I listen and don't understand every word, that's heavy weight.
Your brain is working hard. It feels difficult.
But I'm growing. That's the important part.
Exactly. Difficult moments are good moments.
That makes me feel better about yesterday.
So when you feel frustrated,
I should say, good, my brain is growing.
yes, say, hello, frustration. Thank you for making me stronger.
I like that. But sometimes it's still hard to stay positive.
Tell me, Jack, what happens?
We study for 1 hour, then the next day we forget everything.
Ah, verbs, vocabulary.
It's so annoying.
I know, Jack, but here's a secret.
Really?
You never really forget everything.
How?
It's in your mind, just sleeping.
Sleeping. I like that. English is sleeping in my head.
Yes, the more you practice, the more it wakes up.
Hard days are wake-up days for your brain.
Even one new word today is a victory.
A small victory. We should celebrate small victories.
I agree 100%.
Many people think I'm not fluent yet, so I'm failing.
That's not true. Ask yourself.
Am I better than last month? Better than last year?
If yes, you are winning.
That is a great way to look at it. I remember my first day learning a new language.
Oh, yes?
I could only say hello and thank you.
That's a great start.
Now I can have a whole conversation.
Amazing progress, Jack.
Sometimes I make mistakes, but I'm moving forward.
Mistakes are good, Jack.
Really?
Yes, we talked about this before. Mistakes are proof you're trying.
If you don't make mistakes,
You're staying in the easy zone.
and the easy zone is boring.
Very boring.
But Jennifer, what about people who feel like they have no time?
Yes, many people feel that way.
They work, they have families, they're tired,
And then they see a big English book.
and they feel like they can't do it.
That's very common. My advice? Don't look at the whole book.
Don't look at the whole mountain.
Just look at your feet.
Just take one step.
One step?
You mean maybe just 5 minutes of English?
Yes, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
If you listen to one English song,
Or read one page.
or watch one short video.
That is a step forward.
On hard days, you don't need to run.
You just need to keep moving.
I like that.
It's like walking in the rain.
Slow, wet, but moving toward your home.
Exactly.
And you know, Jennifer, in the very hard moments,
Yes,
when the world feels too much,
I think it's important to remember our hearts.
I always find peace when I trust God.
That's so true, Jack.
Sometimes we carry all the stress alone.
Yes, I like to remember that God knows our hearts.
He sees how hard we are working.
He sees the effort we put into our dreams.
When we feel like we cannot go any further,
We can ask for strength.
we don't have to be strong alone.
That is a beautiful thought. God knows our hearts.
He knows we want to learn,
He knows we want to communicate
to help our families.
or get a better job.
Trusting that He sees our work gives me hope.
Me too. It makes the mountain feel smaller.
It reminds me I have a purpose.
Learning English is not just words.
It's about connecting with people.
Opening your world.
Yes, that's why we cannot give up.
If we give up, we close the door to new friends.
And new opportunities.
Exactly. Imagine all the people you can talk to because you didn't give up today.
Imagine the stories you will hear. Wow, that's exciting.
So, when I feel like giving up, I need to remember a few things.
Go ahead.
1. My brain is getting stronger.
2. Small steps are okay.
3. Trust God because He knows my heart.
And number 4, take a break.
A break? But you said don't stop.
There's a difference. Stopping and resting are not the same.
If you are tired, rest.
Go for a walk. Eat a chocolate cookie.
Then come back to English tomorrow.
Ah, I see. Rest, don't quit.
Like a runner in a race.
They stop to drink water, but they don't leave the race.
Perfect. You always have great examples, Jack.
Thank you, Jennifer. I'm learning from the best.
Talking about this makes me feel better.
My hard day from yesterday feels far away now.
I'm happy to hear that.
I think our listeners feel better too.
It's okay to be a beginner.
It's okay to go slow.
The only way to fail is to stop completely.
Right, and we are not stopping.
We are going to keep going, one word at a time.
Yes, and we're going to do it together.
That's why we have this channel.
We are a big family of learners.
A very big family.
I see people in the comments from all over the world.
Brazil, Japan, Italy, Mexico, it's amazing.
It is wonderful. We love reading the comments.
It shows we are on this journey together.
No one is alone in their struggle.
That's right.
So if you are listening and having a hard day,
Listen to us.
you are doing a great job.
You are strong.
You are smart.
Yes.
And don't compare yourself to others. Some people learn fast, some slow.
It doesn't matter. It's your journey, not a race.
I agree. Compare yourself to yesterday or the day before.
If you know one more word today,
You are the winner of the day.
the winner of the day. I love that title. I want to be the winner too.
You are always the winner, Jennifer. You help me stay positive.
Thank you, Jack. We help each other. That's what friends do.
And we want to be friends with all our listeners, too.
Yes, we do.
Wow, Jennifer, look at the time.
Time flies when we talk about things that matter.
Before we go, let's remember the main ideas from today.
Oh, yes, let's do that.
I remember we talked about frustration.
Yes, being frustrated is good. It means our brain is working hard.
Growing like a muscle.
And we don't need to run the whole way.
Small steps are okay. Even 5 minutes of English is a victory.
Exactly.
And we also said it's important to rest.
If you are tired, take a break, but don't quit the race.
Drink water, eat a cookie, and come back later.
And the most important part, trust God.
He knows our hearts. He sees our hard work.
We can find strength in Him when we feel weak.
Yes, very special.
And finally, mistakes.
Mistakes are our friends. They show we are brave.
Trying new things is how we grow.
Perfect. That's a great summary, Jennifer.
We really covered a lot today.
I hope this helps everyone feel stronger.
I'm sure it will. I feel stronger myself.
I'm ready to go back to my difficult study task now.
Go for it, Jack. Make your brain very, very strong today.
Thank you, Jennifer.
And to everyone listening, thank you.
Yes, thank you for being with us. We really appreciate your time.
Please don't forget to subscribe and give us a like if you enjoyed this.
It helps more than you know.
And we have a question for you for the comments.
Tell us, what do you do when you feel like giving up?
Do you listen to music, pray, talk to a friend?
Or tell us one small victory you had this week.
Did you learn a new word?
Did you understand a sentence in a movie?
We want to celebrate with you.
Yes, we love reading your stories. It makes us so happy.
Well, that is all for today.
Keep practicing. Keep smiling.
And remember, you are getting stronger every day.
Yes, don't give up.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.